Navigating the pressure. Understanding, in the hot seat. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, in the hot seat. This phrase is packed with imagery and meaning, and it's used in a variety of contexts. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting your journey, understanding these expressions can add depth to your conversations. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be in the hot seat. The phrase, in the hot seat, has a rather intriguing origin. It's believed to have come from the early 20th century, particularly relating to the electric chair, a form of capital punishment. Being in the electric chair, or the hot seat, meant facing a critical, life-threatening situation. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond its grim origins to take on a more general, less ominous meaning. Today, it signifies being in a situation where you're under a lot of pressure or scrutiny. In contemporary language, in the hot seat is used to describe situations where someone is under intense pressure, often facing difficult questions or challenges. This can happen in various scenarios, such as job interviews, where candidates must quickly think on their feet and impress potential employers. Meetings or presentations, especially when fielding tough questions from an audience or superiors. Competitive settings, like game shows or sports, where participants must perform well under pressure. Understanding this phrase helps in recognizing the stress and expectations placed on someone in such positions. To better grasp the usage of in the hot seat, let's look at some examples. After the recent scandal, the CEO found herself in the hot seat, answering to the board of directors. He was in the hot seat during the debate, with every answer critically evaluated by the panel. Being in the hot seat on a live quiz show is both thrilling and nerve-wracking. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be versatile, applicable in professional, academic, or entertainment contexts. Being in the hot seat means more than just facing the literal heat. It's about navigating the pressures and challenges that life throws our way. Whether in a job interview, a public speaking event, or any situation that tests our mettle, understanding and using such expressions enriches our communication and brings us closer to the nuances of the English language. We hope this exploration has illuminated this colorful phrase for you, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic gems together. Thanks for watching, and keep learning!